On the newsroom, we'll be speaking not just to the big newsmakers who are impacting this election, but also to people on the ground. Those who will vote for these newsmakers and decide who wins and who loses in the battle for Bihar 2015. I want to take you now to Bhagalpur, where my colleague Simi Pasha speaks to the young and the restless Bihari who's looking for opportunity and is about to decide who's best placed to steer him into the future. Let's listen to some young voices from Bhagalpur.
We hit the highway, travelling eastwards towards a town that has a history of communal violence. Dusty, narrow roads, traffic jams and loud sloganeering greets us in Bhagalpur. From mini trucks to auto rickshaws, from jeeps to cycle rickshaws. No public transport, however big or small, is spared. They are all decked up with giant loudspeakers, blaring on full volume. We make our way into the bylanes of the Weavers' Colony, where we find small, dimly lit industrial units inside most homes. The deafening sound of wood on metal echoes inside the four walls. Wheels turn, but time has come to a standstill. These factories look like they belong to a bygone era and sound like a steam engine. Weavers like captives huddle behind these dinosaurs, weaving patterns into the white silk thread. Drops of sweat gather on his forehead as 28-year-old Mohammad Saeed works silently under the cobwebs of his inheritance, weaving yards of coarse tussar silk. He gets a paltry 45 to 50 rupees per sari, which easily fetches more than 10,000 rupees in the market. It's almost criminal how craftsmen like him are denied the benefits of their produce. But they only have themselves to blame for it, he says.
हमारे लोग तो मजदूर हैं तो हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं। जो मजदूरी मिलेगा तो हम लोग को खाने कमाने वाले हैं तो हम लोग को लेना पड़ता है मजबूरी। यूनियन रहने से रहता है, एकताई रहने से होता है कि हर काम मिलजुल के बराबर होता है। अब यूनियन नहीं रहेगा तो जो मजदूरी मिलेगा तो मजबूरन इंसान को तो लेना पड़ेगा। यूनियन बनने में टाइम लगता है, यहाँ आदमी में एकताई नहीं होता है ना, एकताई रहने के बाद तो यूनियन बनेगा। एकताई नहीं है, किसी को 50 मिल रहा वो चला रहा, किसी को 45 भी मिल गया, उसको भूखे है, खाना नहीं मिल रहा सही तो मजबूरी तो वो काम करेगा ही।
The scars of the 1989 riots may have faded away, but the city's silk industry still hasn't recovered from the loss. Locals claim Bhagalpur used to export 1,000 crores worth of silk before the deadly riots. 25 years on, its total produce has come down by 80%. We asked Saeed why he didn't leave the city for better opportunities, why he stuck.
एक दो बार हम भिवंडी गए हैं बम्बई, उसके बाद हम लोग यहीं चलाते हैं।
क्यों आपको पसंद नहीं आया वहाँ का काम?
वहाँ खाना सही नहीं मिलता है, टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है, जो मजदूरी हम लोग को मिलना चाहिए वो मजदूरी बाहर में मिलता नहीं, तो उससे बेहतर हम लोग अपना घर में काम करते हैं, परिवार के साथ मिलजुल के रहते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग बाहर नहीं जाते हैं।
Saeed's story, like the sound of power looms, echoes in the bylanes of the Weavers' Colony. In every dingy factory, every home, every silent face. Some have flown the nest and come crashing back. Others are getting ready to take flight. Bhagalpur is no one's first choice. This centuries-old town that reeks of decay and neglect offers no opportunities to the young and restless